Hello. Hello, welcome to the Discovery Channel here with Samuel and the mailman. Today we are going down a trail of some sort. I don't know where we're going, but passed down from generations in my family. It will lead us in the right direction. Onward! You two lazy men in the back need to speed up. This way. We need to find fresh water soon. I feel myself eating lightheaded.
It's gonna be nice. We found a place to do drugs.
That's right. I'm about that. Where is that?
But you know, young nigga been playing, ain't been serious. I know how. You know, I can admit the truth to myself. Give me something for the vlog, man. I don't know what that is. I'm not using that.
Congratulations, men. We have finally made it.
What the fuck going on, man? We out here, Blue Summer team, in nature, so we can learn what the real definition of a blue.
I want to know what birds look like.
But
Yeah, you just got way cooler.
Man, you did get cool.
it's just like, yeah.
Say something cool, Tay. Say something cool, bro.
Yeah.
Man, the debauchery.
Like our audience knows.
Yeah, Blue Summer.
Likes pancakes.
Well, that shit's a scam, bro. It's really no different. I'm like, nigga, I'm on a premium channel now. You only get one nut, bro. But then end up like
You know, some people look really cool and do a defensive. Like,
Yeah, you low-key look like you're dying.
But,
Like you look like you're trying weed for the first time.
it's not even like that. Some more rocks out here, baby.
See, in the SUV, there's way. One of my followers told me that his family owns a business that makes which I thought was the most random shit ever. But I think I'm gonna talk to them about it, but for the Happy Birthday Blue Summer show, about getting like a fan come on stage and like.
Can I come on stage?
Huh? No, because you'll be working.
I'll come on stage.
No, because then people think we rigged it.
But I'm a fan.
You got a point.
That's literally taking me out.
Nah, I mean, you're right. It's just what you get for being close to the operation.
That's fucked up.
What are you eating?
this is
That sandwich looks sad.
This is so bad, bro. You know, check it out. You know, like they have like the shitty side of the bread.
Yeah.
That was all I had left. I didn't say it was like a
Bread,
superior sandwich, bro. I said it was a sandwich. Get away from me.
No, I had to get a nice shot of that sandwich.
You guys want to go read that informational sign first?
It might be the best thing.
About to go hiking. It's a little bit scary, but you know, we've got two white people with us, so we should be fine, right? Yeah.
Hi.
What the hell, like their own local army?
You said their own local army?
Yeah.
That'd be wild.
Like local military group ready to.
These rocks are not stable, by the way. These rocks are not stable.
Crikey. Climbing up up a mountain. This is man in nature. This is pretty normal things for people like not me. This is horrible. Mosquitoes biting. Later we're gonna show you how to drink urine. It's gonna be amazing. Are you with me? Let's go.
Look at that, bro. It looks like it'd be delicious.
Really?
What's that?
Roasted, bro. Look at that.
It's spicy.
That little,
That's
little olive oil and garlic salt on there. What the fuck?
Anywhere, man.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, y'all might walk away. Not y'all good.
Look at a grenade long leg, bro. That's a grenade long leg.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, that bro still there. You finna call this?
Really,
You
Sam?
finna call this peeps?
Yeah, bro, they
Nigga
can't
finna
fucking
turn into
with
Spider-Man.
Aren't they like actually venomous, but their mouths are just too small to bite you?
Yeah, they're not like threatening.
God laughing at them.
That does not look like anything I would ever put in my mouth.
They got
This ain't definitely gonna work the arms, man.
Yeah, roll up, bro. Yeah, roll up. Take a break, man. Take 5.
Oh, shit, fuck you. Yo, the group's getting separated. This is how it starts.
We can make a fake horror movie really quick.
You said real quick.
It's gonna be like
Hey,
a
man.
final, like some found footage of us getting lost.
Anybody attending Blue Summer, if you lactose, nigga, and you walk in the trail,
Yeah, bro, you wild for thinking you can handle the cheese and the
Don't.
hype.
don't take the cheese, bro. Don't take the fucking cheese, bro.
Like,
No matter how hungry you get, no matter how tired you are, don't take the cheese, bro. Look at them niggas up there, bro. Y'all think y'all better than us? How the hell y'all walking all the way up there? This is a team, damn it.
Oh, Kohrey.
Oh shit!
I mean, you wanna drown or nothing, but your feet would have been really wet. How you guys feeling after the second hike?
My shorts,
Yeah,
my
look at that tree,
trousers
right?
are tonic.
yeah, look at that tree, right?
My boxers are torn, my
Yeah,
socks
I
are
mean,
wet.
it's up to y'all. If you guys want to do like a shorter hike up along the trail and see the big tree,
I mean, I'm cool with it.
I'm cool with it.
You know, can we rest for a second though?
How short is this hike?
0.8 miles. Yeah.
Oh, it's 40 minutes, right?
We could jog it.
Yeah, we can jog it.
This is Georgia. That's 0.8 miles, like an hour.